So this is Kenny's first walk ever outside. First time he gets to see the great big outside world. He just thinks the garden is the outside world. He's got no idea.
You might need to help.
Is he biting the harness?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I might have to stop the camera here and just give a little bit of assistance.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a key. There you go. Got his harness on. Bella's coming as well.
Okay.
She's like, oh dear. Come on in. Come, Kenny. Kenny. He's off the game.
Come here. I know.
Don't know if he's too sure.
I'm not going to get out, I think.
Can you just put Bella's on? Top.
Come here. Bella.
And he's like, what's going on? What is going on? Hey? What's happening, Kenny? Just want to get all the leads crossed over now and caught up. Give me Bella, because she's... There we go. Over the top. I've got a key.
You have, yeah?
No, it's the carpet cleaner. And they're off. Don't let go. And we're off, and Bella's like, who's this little guy? Who's this little guy? What do you think of that, Kenny? Hey? What do you think of all this lot? You thought the garden was big. Okay, just the end of the road. Want to go to the oak trees?
Well, should I take him back? Do you want to walk her around?
Take him to the oak trees, shall we?
I don't know if he doesn't want to go any further. Come on, Mum. Give me the key. You take her to the oaks.
That's about as far as you want to go.
Yeah,
See you later, Kenny.
come on, little man.
There you go. It's about as far as he wants to go. Big experience for him. Right, me and you then now. So we have a little game here where Bella chases imaginary squirrels. God, yeah, I try and hold on to her. Is she there? This is Bella looking for squirrels, which don't exist. Well, it did exist once. Hey, can you see him? Is he there? So that was a short and sweet little walk for Kenny there. But he's got to get his confidence up, of course. But as you can see, he's getting on with Bella much better. They're playing together now, which was always the worry that she wouldn't get on with him. But no problems there. Even actually slept curled up in Kenny's bed. So here we go, this is Kenny's first egg. Now Bella absolutely adores an egg. And this is Kenny's first one. And he might not like it. What if we turns his nose up? Well, Bella would be in there straight away. But he might not like it. He might say, no, I don't like an egg. I don't think there's much chance of that though. Have you ever known a dog that doesn't like an egg? No. No, nor have I. Okay, well we'll see in a few seconds when we put it down on the floor. Gone. Well, I think that's a hit. Yeah, I think that is a definite hit. It's a race actually. He's going to finish first. I think he's holding his own. Well, I think Bella will finish first, but that is a definite hit. So good. There you go. Just I'll keep you updated on Fred 2. What's happening with the little fella? And yeah, nice day today. So I hope you're all enjoying the sunshine. Enjoy it while it lasts after all the rain we've had the last few days. And cheers for watching. Thanks a lot. Catch you on the next one.